Hello. Um, right, with the price of kits going up, I thought I'd set myself a challenge and see how many kits I could get for under £20 in total. So it's my cheap kit challenge. So here we are. You can see we've got a P51 Mustang Blue Rebel, which I haven't opened any of these kits yet. I'll do a review with each of them in turn. This is probably, I think, Reebok's Matchbox kit, so we'll see. P40B by Academy in the Flying Tigers Chinese livery, and the Eon Primary Glider, the Eon Eaton, that's a singer, Eon Eaton, at college called Eaton in England, private school. But anyway, I'll talk about that at the time. Just a quick introductory video here. As of January, February 2022, which is when I'm making this video, the Tomahawk cost £5.99. The Mustang cost £6.49, and the one with the least parts, the least of it, was £6.80. That's British sterling pounds. Right, I think that's enough for now. I just thought I could do a little quick video to say that these are the three cheap kits you can get. You don't have to buy 50 quid kits to get the pleasure out of the hobby. They're all going to be fun to build, and hopefully you'll have a nice little result out of them at the end of it. So that's all for now. I'll do a video next of each of them to review them. I haven't opened any of these yet. Well, I've opened the lid of the P40 because that's loose, but I haven't looked at the bag. I haven't opened the sprues and had a good look yet. But anyway, enough for now. Thank you very much. Ta-ra.